if you can protect your headphone earpads, while at the same time completely customizing them with the color, look, and design of your choice, why not prolong the life of your headphones and wear them with a unique style, all while doing so at an affordable price point? What's up, internet? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So today we're gonna teach you not only how to customize any pair of headphones, but how to protect them in the process. If you're anything like me, chances are at one point in your life, you've invested in an expensive pair of headphones. Or several, but I get it, life happens, right? You're probably gonna wear your headphones in a lot of different places, in a lot of different scenarios. Eventually that ear cup is gonna break down, and they're gonna start to crack, peel, or even deteriorate. And if you're in that situation, luckily we already have a video on this channel walking you through how to replace your earpads, so link to that video will be in the video description box below if you need that. But today is about eliminating that problem to begin with, protecting and preventing your headphones from getting damaged in the first place, keeping your ear cups soft, squishy, and like new for years to come, while at the same time adding your own level of style and customization to them. These things you see right here are premium silicone headphone earpad protectors recently released from one of our favorite brand partners. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different varieties, models, and colors to choose from. I just happen to have a bunch here for two of my personal favorite pairs of headphones, the Apple AirPods Max and the Sony WH-1000XM5s. They look pretty much like they came this way from the factory. You could hardly even tell that I applied the protectors after the fact. But this does make sense because each of these protectors has been precision engineered to perfectly fit the exact pair of headphones that they've been released for. Not only does this obviously ensure a precise fit, but it's also what's providing the maximum level of protection for your headphones while also maintaining and ensuring the level of comfort and sound quality that you already love your headphones for having. You'll still notice the little perforations in the protectors themselves for those headphone drivers, but for headphones that have buttons on the side of the ear cups or for head detection sensors built into the ear cups, you'll notice specific cutouts for those in the protectors as well. In other words, you can basically see that these protectors are pretty much meant to be virtually undetectable, and that they're meant to be so comfortable and fit so perfectly that you can't even tell that they're there, even if you're looking closely. But what are these protectors made out of? They're actually made out of a premium silicone material that remains flexible and supple enough to allow them to be easily placed onto or taken off from your headphones literally in the matter of just a few seconds. And they are guaranteed, with a full 365-day guarantee, by the way, they are guaranteed to block out the sweat, moisture, and everyday wear that your headphones are going to be facing, prolonging the overall life of the headphones that you're using. Now, chances are with the cool colors and cool designs that are available for these protectors, you're not gonna wanna take them off because I think they look super cool. But the nice thing is that they are easily removable and they are 100% washable, either by hand or by machine, so you can use them when you want, while at the same time, keeping the protectors themselves in like new condition. If I wanted to, I could easily attach some of these protectors to my headphones right before I'm working out, and then I could immediately remove them after, rinse them off, and I'm good to go. I'm protecting my headphones while at the same time lessening the amount of moisture and bacteria buildup that would otherwise be building up in the headphones earpads themselves. That's gonna keep your protectors and your earpads looking, feeling, and smelling like new. It's almost like having two pairs of the same headphones, one dedicated to the gym and then one dedicated for casual listening, without having to shell out for two separate pairs of headphones, or buying a second pair sooner rather than later if the earpads do deteriorate faster than you want them to. Now, of course, these premium earpad protectors are available in several different headphones models. They're available in obviously several different colors and designs, with new ones being added often, so definitely be sure to check out the video description box below to see the newest ones that have been added. Bottom line here is if you're wearing your headphones for multiple hours per week, or if you're wearing them while you're working out, and especially if you start to sweat, it's not a matter of if, but when you're gonna start to break down that earpad and damage your headphones because of the sweat and the acid and the moisture that's all part of that process. So if you can protect your headphone earpads, while at the same time completely customizing them with the color, look, and design of your choice, why not prolong the life of your headphones and wear them with a unique style, all while doing so at an affordable price point? I wanna give a huge thank you and a shout out to our brand partner, Wicked Cushions, for partnering with us on this video and for sending out several of these earpad protectors for us to be able to check out and use. probably one of the more helpful accessories I've ever been sent. And of course, if you guys want the latest deals, promos, pricing, or information for these headphone earpad protectors, you guys could of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/sweats, or of course there's always gonna be a clickable link in the video description box below, as well as the comment section with specific models to choose from. So be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, I'm pretty psyched to have this level of protection on my earpads now, but I'm low-key even more psyched to have this level of customization. I wanna go show these off. I will see you guys in my next video.